Hi, I'm James from Fine Country and you've joined me here today on Newbold Terrace, where we have this absolutely fabulous 2 double bedroom apartment which overlooks the Jefferson Gardens. It really is a special place to live. At the rear we've got private landscape gardens and parking for 1 car. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the private and secure communal gardens of this fabulous home. It really is special. It's very unusual to have outside space, parking, bike storage and be opposite the Jefferson Gardens, close to the train station. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.